surprise in the mail a couple of days ago. I was not expecting this, so it was definitely a surprise. And it came in this big box. Wife said, "Hey, you have something on the porch box?" I'm like, well, I'm thinking it's, something small from a cousin who was mailing me something, but no, it was this giant box here. I have no idea. So I opened it up, and lo and behold, I got this, which is a potter stool from Shimpo, Nidec Shimpo. I was confused, quite confused actually, because I had ordered a potter stool because I have, I didn't need one. So I looked at the packing slip, and I said, well, oh, goodness, I didn't pay anything for it because I actually won something. This was, I went to Sika this year virtually, and do what everybody else did, and apparently I won this really awesome stool. So I'm gonna check it out here real fast. Apparently it's got a cushion, which is better than my last stool, which doesn't have a cushion because it's just a metal stool. And it has adjustable legs. Now, as you can see, my potter's wheel sits up a little bit higher, and so we're gonna see. I just took the leg up. How this thing works. So we're gonna pop it all the way down and see how well this stool will work for a gentleman of my size persuasion. But it was really kind of cool. I was like, wow, I never win anything. It's not a thing that I ever do, but apparently I did. And I'm really kind of happy about this. First new piece of pottery equipment in my studio in years, and it was one. So I've extended the legs all the way out. They're really easy. You just push in these two little doodads, and you can adjust it. So we're gonna adjust it to the highest height because I am not a short person. I'll sit here in front of my wheel and check it out. Ooh, this is kind of nice. It's comfy on the areas that need to be comfy. It lets me get it pretty close up to my wheel. That's nice. I'm gonna really have to test this out throwing something. It's a little high. Maybe we'll go down. Oh, I know. Let's try something interesting. Let's see if we can go down just on the front legs, and then we can leave the. How are we gonna do that? There we go. We'll go down maybe one. Let's try that. That angle there. Put the feet up. So actually looks nice. So seems to be pretty stable. I'm not known for being stable at the potter's wheel, but this is kind of cool. So thank you, Nidec Shimpo, for this really cool free stool that I won at Sika. Totally unexpected, did not know it was coming, and yeah, so I'm going to look forward to using this, testing it out and seeing, but so far from sitting on it and adjusting it, I kind of like it. All right, that's all I got to say. Y'all have a great day.